Hey guys, welcome back to knoxlocks. Today's going to be a guitar project slash update. Okay, this was the Keith Urban guitar. If I happen to catch the live stream that I did, I swapped out these Grover tuners for these Skull ones. However, there's a problem as far as when I put in the tuner and then the washer before the Skull. It only allows you to have 1.5 rotations, so you literally can't turn the tuning peg more than 1.5 rotations. So after you've sharpened it a couple times to keep it in tuning, you can't change strings. I swapped it back to the Grover. Immediately it worked fine. Well, they're not real Grover, it's a made in China guitar. And I realized these Skull ones, first of all, they're really plastic. They're not like real metal like even these knockoff Grovers are. So the tuning, the little where you put the peg in, is literally a round hole, and what comes off at the end of here is a square peg. So I was literally trying to force a square peg into a round hole, and they tell you that's what you have to do. Like literally, these are Guyker. This is the Guyker Skulls, and these are the volume and tone knobs. So now it's been about a month that I've been playing with this now. And like I said, I really wanted to take any names off of here. So when I use this for teaching or anything on YouTube, there's no, it doesn't say Fender on the label. It doesn't say Gibson. It doesn't say Epiphone. It doesn't, you know what I mean? It's a Knox guitar, you know. So, but anyway, the tuners, as much as I thought the Skulls were kind of a cool thing, they're going to have to go. And the point I was making about the Grovers, they have the threads built in. So the space, I guess, allocated for these little tuning, the turner parts for the washers, there's just no room for them. Or they fall into it and get stuck after 1.5 rotations, like about the size of that turner there. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be swapping them out back to the original Grovers. And until I order, I don't know, I was thinking hip shots, locking tuners, something cool like with the big tuners. You know, something funky to go with the Skulls. These are holding on good though. I only had one of them fall off once with the Allen key. But that's probably my fault for not putting it on so tight. Or too tight. That's another thing. Gotta be careful for. But I'm gonna be putting in Seymour Duncan Black Winters in here. And yeah, this baby's gonna be rocking. So I'll hit you with my usual. Remember, anything is possible when everything is unlockable. And make sure you join for Knoxtober, man. It's already week 1. So, make sure you get your answers in. Make sure you participate. And I'll catch you soon.